communication or failure to communicate in legal malpractice. Good morning, my name is Neil Burns, and I've been asked to talk today about communication or failure to communicate with your lawyer and how it affects or impacts legal malpractice here in Massachusetts. And I can't tell you how many times we get this essential question, problem from potential clients and clients that they didn't communicate effectively with their lawyer. And it's, of course, the lawyer's fault. The lawyer's the professional. But the client is responsible for doing what he or she can to communicate and to follow up on the communication. And sometimes the lawyer just doesn't respond at all. Sometimes the lawyer says, please send an email, and you send a text, and there's a mismatch there. But usually the cases that we get, the cases that we take, there's a failure to communicate by the lawyer. So the lawyer should be letting you know everything that he or she does with respect to the case. Filing something, getting an offer, sending a demand, an important objection to something that's going on with your case in court, or a potential problem coming down the pike. Any of these things that lawyers should be communicating with you, and after you communicate, the lawyer should be putting it in writing in the form of a letter, an email, or something to say, we have a court date on such, or we have a problem with so-and-so. Once that happens, you've got to work together on how you're going to resolve that problem, how you're going to get to the next step. And we see this many times as a problem also. The lawyer doesn't communicate what decisions the client has to make or that the lawyer is making, and it becomes a mess. And at critical stages in a case, such as at a deposition, at a time of settlement, whether it's mediation or dealing with an insurance adjuster or an opposing attorney, in the courtroom or outside the courtroom, you really need to feel that you can communicate with your lawyer. You need to feel that he or she is on your side, that you're going to take their advice, that you may have some questions, but that you can communicate with them. If you have a problem with communicating with your lawyer, first, try. Talk to their office manager, talk to their secretary, talk to their paralegal, say what's going on, what works. Could be the lawyer's on trial that week and nothing's going to work. But it also could be that you need to do something, you need to come in for an appointment, or maybe you need a new lawyer. But first, please try communicating better, communicating more effectively with your lawyer. If that doesn't work, give us a call. If you think that because of your lawyer's failure to communicate with you, that he or she has committed legal malpractice, give us a call. We've been doing these cases since 1985, and I've been here in this building at 6 Beacon Street, along with my partner, Rashawn Jan, for many years, and we will help you. We're effective, we're aggressive, we care about you. Give us a call, Burns & Jan, 617-227-7423. Thank you.